Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. For today's project, I'll walk you through how to build an outhouse with a front porch, perfect for adding charm and functionality to any outdoor space. Before diving into construction, you'll want to prep your site. Choose a spot that's accessible, well-drained, and follows local guidelines for outhouses. Clear any vegetation or debris and level the ground. For extra stability, lay down a gravel base or concrete pads. This simple prep work ensures your outhouse stays secure and lasts for years. Start by building the foundation. Use 4x4 pressure-treated lumber for the skids and cut them to size based on the plan. Lay them out on a flat surface, ensuring the edges are aligned and the corners are square. Drill pilot holes and secure the skids together with 5.5 screws. This base forms the backbone of your structure. Next, assemble the floor frame using 2x4 lumber. Cut the pieces to size and lay them out on a level surface. Secure the frame together with 3.5 screws, ensuring all corners are square. Attach the floor frame to the skids, aligning the edges and securing it with additional screws. Then, lay 2x4 decking boards on top, drilling pilot holes and fastening them with 2.5 screws. With the floor done, move on to the walls. Start with the front and back walls, using 2x4 lumber for the studs, plates, and headers. Pay attention to the details, like overhanging the top plate on the back wall for roof support. For the side walls, decide where you want the 18x18 window. Assemble the frames on a flat surface, secure the studs with 3.5 screws, and attach them to the floor frame, ensuring everything is plumb and square. Cut the rafters to size, making the 18.5-degree cuts on both ends and adding bird's mouth notches for a snug fit on the walls. Attach the rafters to the top plates, spacing them evenly, and secure them with 3.5 screws. Once the rafters are in place, add 1/2 plywood sheets to form the roof deck. Align the edges and secure them with 1 5/8 screws every 8 along the rafters. Cover the roof deck with tar paper, overlapping the sheets by 2 inch for a waterproof barrier. Install drip edges along the edges, then lay asphalt shingles, starting from the bottom and working up. For the finishing touch, add 1x6 trims around the roof, cutting the side trims at 18.5-degree angles and securing them with 1 5/8 screws or 8D nails. Use 5/8 T1-11 siding panels to cover the exterior. Cut the panels to size, including notches for the window and other features, as shown in the diagram. Attach the siding to the walls with 8D nails, spacing them every 8 inch. Make sure the panels are flush with the frame and secure them tightly. Frame the door opening with 2x4 lumber, aligning the boards flush with the edges. Secure them with 3.5 screws every 8. Once the frame is ready, attach the door to the frame with heavy-duty hinges, ensuring it swings freely and aligns properly. Add a latch or lock for functionality. Fit the 18x18 window into the side wall opening, shimming it for a snug fit. Secure it with screws or nails and seal the edges with silicone caulk for weatherproofing. Inside, build the toilet seat frame with 2x4s and cover it with 1/2 plywood. Sand all surfaces and finish with paint or stain. Complete the project by attaching the front step to the skids and decking it with 2x4 boards. Apply a weather-resistant paint or stain to the entire structure for protection and style. Add extras like a vent pipe, solar light, or decorative hardware to make the outhouse functional and inviting. You can find the full plans, complete with detailed diagrams, cut lists, and shopping lists, on my blog at myoutdoorplans.com. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other project videos on the channel for more DIY inspiration. Until next time, build your outdoor world.
For more DIY videos, subscribe, comment, and click the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell